everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Welcome to our brand new tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create an affiliate program to your LifterLMS website or your LMS website. So let's get started. So first, I will talk about what is affiliate marketing. Let's say you have a LMS website and I want to promote your courses and memberships to my friends, or I have my own customer zone. I want to promote your courses and membership to my clients. When my customer will buy your courses through me, I will get a commission. So this way affiliate marketing works. It's really simple. I will show you step-by-step tutorial. The first thing we need for this tutorial, that is most powerful LMS plugin, LifterLMS plugin. You can visit lifterlms.com, and also I will provide our website link to the video description. And if you visit our pricing, you can see that we have 3 bundles: Infinity Bundle, Universe Bundle and Earth Bundle. So for this tutorial, I will use this Infinity Bundle. This bundle is the most advanced bundle of LifterLMS. So now I will visit my WordPress dashboard. So here is my WordPress dashboard, and you can see that I have already installed this LifterLMS plugin. Also, I have activated the LifterLMS Infinity Bundle license key. So we have lots of tutorial about how to install LifterLMS plugin, how to set up LifterLMS plugin on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to check that out. So another important plugin is for this tutorial, that is affiliate plugin. So for this tutorial, we will use Affiliate WP plugin. So Affiliate WP is one of the most popular WordPress affiliate plugin. They have some amazing features and it's easy to use and powerful. And the best part is that they have an integration with LifterLMS. So if you click on this option, you can see that they have an integration with LifterLMS, and so it works great with LifterLMS. I will provide their website link to our description box, and if you visit their pricing, you can see they have 3 bundles. So for this tutorial, I will use this personal one. So I have already purchased this personal one. I will show you that how you can activate this on our WordPress dashboard. So after purchasing the Affiliate WP plugin, I have downloaded the zip file from my account page on Affiliate WP website, and now I will upload that zip file to my WordPress dashboard. For that, we have to visit plugins, then add new. Now we have to click on this upload plugin option. So here we have to choose our zip file. So here is my Affiliate WP zip file. Now click on install now. Click on activate plugin. So it will redirect us on the Affiliate WP setup wizard. So first we have to add our license key here. So I will just paste my license key here. So now we have to click on continue. So here we can see that as on my website, I have LifterLMS and Ninja Forms. So I don't want this Ninja Forms one. I only want the LifterLMS integration. So I am selecting this one, and now click on continue. So here we have some payout methods. So I'm leaving this as it is. You can choose any of them as per your requirements. Now click on continue. So from here we can choose our currency. So I'm leaving this as it is. Here we can select our commission amount. So I want 10% commission. I'm selecting the percentage one. You can select the flat one also. And I don't want this option. Now click on continue. So now click on I will do it later. So our Affiliate WP is ready for our website. Now click on finish setup and exit. So after completing the setup wizard, it will redirect us on this affiliate setup guide tab. Basically, the setup wizard is the basic setup option. You can change that option anytime you want. So first, here you can see that we have an option that is create your first affiliate registration form. So if you click on this edit form options, here is your affiliate register registration forms. Basically, when someone will apply for or register for affiliate account, they have to fill up this form. So you can modify this page and modify this form as much as you want, but for now I will just leaving this as it is. So here we can see that we have option that is add your first affiliate manually. So you can add your affiliate by yourself, but I'm just skipping this. So if you visit affiliate settings, you will get all of the options you want to change or modify on your affiliate WP. So if you click on settings, here we have some important options that we can modify now. So first thing is, here we have this referral variable. We can change this referral variable, as now is by default is ref. You can see that, for example, your website name .com ref equal to 1. So if you want, you can change this referral variable. Also here you can change the referral rate type. As you remember that we have this selected this percentage option from our setup wizard. So if you don't like this percentage option, you can change this to flat USD, or if you want the percentage, you can select this one. Here you can add the referral rate. So I want 10%. So also here make sure that you have selected this affiliate registration form and affiliate login form here on this affiliate area forms. And here we have this integration options. So as we are using this with LifterLMS, that's why we have selected this one. So here we have another tab. So make sure that you have enabled these two options, that is allow affiliate registration and require approval. I think that it looks good. So another thing is that we have to visit appearance and menus. As you see that we have a affiliate area or affiliate registration form. So we have to add that form to our menu so that anyone can register for affiliate program easily. So if you, here we can see that in this pages option we have this affiliate area. So if you select this one and add to menu, see here is this affiliate area option. So now click on save menu. So now if I visit my site, see now I have this affiliate area option. So if I click on this, so here is the affiliate register form. So if anyone wants, they can register here. I open my website on private window to show you the public view of my website. So we can see the affiliate area option. So if we click on this, so from here new user can register from here and existing user can log in from here. So I'm just adding a random name, random username. Now if we click on register, see your affiliate account is pending approval. So now if I visit backend again, and if we visit affiliate WP and affiliates option, so here we have all of our affiliate pending account. So from here we can accept this affiliate or we can reject this or delete this, but I will accept this one. Or also here we can see this affiliate ID, username, rate, 10% commission rate, and many things. So now if we visit that tab again and refresh it, so here is our affiliate dashboard. So here this affiliate ID is for affiliate referral URL, this one. Also if anyone want to generate a new referral link for any pages of my website, they can create easily. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.